Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the YARBO Lawn Mower attachment to your YARBO. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. First things first, we have the battery unplugged just as an extra safety precaution. And we have the lawnmower unit section here. And basically it just lifts and sets on in place, and we have to plug in the main power connector. So let's look at everything up close. So you have these 4 mounting points right here, and then this is the cable end that's going to plug into this portion of the attachment. But we'll mount this with the holes that you'll see on this side right here. So we got 4 of those that'll line up with the mounting option on that side so it can mate together, and we can plug this right in. That snaps right in really nice, and then we can just twist to release if we ever need to, so it'll pull right out. But it just plugs right in just like so. And now we're just gonna work this close to the unit. We'll lift it up to get it mounted. Double check both of these right here and make sure they're in the up position so then we can have it lock in place. At this stage, don't forget to put this cover on. So it's gonna go underneath here, through the handle, through both of these. It's molded right there, so it'll fit right on just like you see right there. And we go ahead, we can close those latches. Oh, and last thing I want to mention, you're instructed to push this. They say push the handle, but nothing happened. If I push right here, you'll push that, and you will hear a little, like, almost like a spring release and click. Now it's fully installed technically, so keep that in mind. That's what you'll do. I would just push right here, push a little bit. You'll hear a little like spring release almost, just a little click. And there we go. Now it's nice and snug. Everything installed right there and ready to go to start mowing. Pretty sweet. Take a look at that thing. This little guy was in the box. They call it a module vertical stand. Not really sure the use case. I couldn't find it in the manual, what was going on with there, but you do have a stand for the module, whatever that means.